Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar rise 0.6% against the yen. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 2.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the oil drop 0.4% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices fell after the US government said it would release more crude from its strategic petroleum reserve, as mandated by lawmakers, counter to expectations from some traders that the release could be cancelled or delayed. The dollar fell before a keenly anticipated inflation report, while the yen strengthened as surprise pick Kazuo Ueda was nominated as the Bank of Japan's next governor. A surprise settlement between the US Securities and Exchange Commission and Kraken, a leading crypto exchange platform, raised existential questions for the future of staking on blockchains like Ethereum, and might help to decentralize the Ethereum network and force service providers to clarify how they earn yield for retail investors.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's core consumer price index will be released at 0700 hours GMT, the US industrial production at 14:15 GMT, the Eurozone's trade balance at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's exports will be released at 23:50 GMT, the US retail sales at 13:30 GMT, the Eurozone's industrial production at 1000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.